Okay, so today we are not working on this, we are not working on this, and we are not working on this. This is cute though. Marek, what are we doing today?
Today we're gonna take the 1UZ, we're gonna clean it, get rid of all the grease and basically prepare it for putting into the Miata.
Okay, so what I was thinking is gonna be, you know, quick video, one day work, and that turned out it's been a week or even more than a week. But we're back with the engine. It is ready for taking it to the shop where they're gonna put it in the Miata. So let me show you the results. Actually, you already seen the results. The thing is, I was expecting it to be a bit different because, you know, I was watching all of those videos when they rebuild engines professionally and they put all new parts and then engine looks like this. But this is NIGHTRIDE and reality is a bit different. So, you know, maybe it's not perfect, but I'm really happy how it turned out.
Also, it's a good way to get to know your engine.
That's the one. And actually now finally, because Kevin's not here, we drove Kevin up to the shop where they're gonna try to fix it. And also Miata and the engine are going out tomorrow. So garage is gonna be all empty, and I think your white Miata can have a privilege to be inside.
Wow.
So this garage is a bit, as you can see, that's why I hold it under the foil. Yes, I think it's much more clean than at the beginning, and like Marek said, it was good to work on it because I got to know bits and bobs and parts of the engine which I didn't know before, so it's good for me now. And yeah, engine is ready to go in. There's still some parts I was waiting for to complete the connection between the engine and the gearbox. So let's have a look at the package inside the house. There is already one part that I unboxed because I was excited to check it. Boom, look at this beauty. I had to unbox it first and check if it wouldn't be too tall.
It's a long shifter.
It's a long shifter, so I had to check if it would fit. It's so cold though. Ooh, man, check. It's one of the metal ones, so if it's very hot, it's gonna be very hot. But if it's like this, freezing, there's no good.
But look at this cutie, man. Look at this cutie here. Look at this.
Okay, so we are back in the house and let's see the parts that came. Nice package. Shifter, which you already seen, very fair and very nice. It should be pretty comfortable to have it that high next to the e-brake, so that's why I wanted to have it the longer version. This is by PMC. Basically all the set is by PMC today. The second thing is Chassis Performance clutch kit. That's the clutch we're gonna use. So basically I think I didn't say yet that we're gonna run a BMW transmission on 1UZ, and to make it possible you need one specific part which should be here. Let's see. That's the flywheel. Okay, and the clutch disc as well. The main part I was waiting for is this. I don't know if you can see, but this is an adapter that allows you to put a BMW transmission onto the 1UZ engine. And PMC is a Polish company and they do those adapters, and they also have a bunch of different types. So different engines to a different gearbox, and also a bunch of different stuff that you can use for building your drift car or your race car. So it's worth to check it out. By looking at it, you can say that it's pretty well made, and it should do the job. And there's a hardware here attached to the set. Thank you very much for watching. Let me know what you think of this bit when I was putting the engine together and cleaning and that. So because this is a bit different than what we do usual. See you next time.